Good morning, you guys. It is currently almost 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I woke up before 5 because my husband needs to be up by that time. Anyway, today we are doing a vlog. Recently I have posted a Facebook post about this big box that I bought from Winners for $12.99. I could have left it like that, but I have to do something with it because that's just me. I just want to see what I can do with the things that I have. Like, this is the second time I'm doing a big box mixed media style. So going to the city today, and I'm planning to go to Michael and shop for items. Don't need a lot, maybe, but yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. Alright, you guys, I am done getting ready and I'm heading out to the door. We'll see you in a bit. Here we are. So we made it, you guys. Yeah, so I'm at the parking lot by Michael's, and now we're going in and make some damage. Alright, you guys, I just came home and figured out that I should record. Unfortunately, I didn't find the main embellishment that I want to use, which is a peacock feather. But before I ramble, I'm just going to show you how much damage I did. So the total for my bill is $92.27. Anyway, so I'm just gonna show you what I have. First off, we're going to start off with this big tub of white gesso from Artist Loft. When I saw this, it was actually 20 bucks, which was surprising. Well, I was like, since I'm halfway down my gesso downstairs on my crafting table, I figured I should just buy a new one. And then I didn't know that it has a stencil. Anyway, this post-tail stamps from Finnabar. This one. Is it focusing? I hope so. I didn't know it has a stencil right here, so that's unique. I think this was... Is it free? Doubt it. There you go. It was on sale. It was on sale. $6. Whoa. Yeah, it says here stencil and stamp. $6. It was originally $19.99. Oh my gosh. I made a steal. I actually was thinking about getting that stamp with cursive writing on it, which was I don't know what you call those stamps, but it's those bigger chunk of stamps that has wood handles on them, and it was around 24. Yeah, 24. But yeah, when I saw this, I didn't even think that it has stencils. I was like, yes, this is around my alley, so I will definitely use it because it has lots of handwriting thingies and numbers and very vintage. So that's $6. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is the reason why I went to Michael's, and this is the only one that they have in store. Even ask the staff there if they have any other feathers. Unfortunately, they don't have this one that I wanted. But anyway, this was $5. $5. Next is this. Oh my gosh, when I saw this on sale, 50% off, I was like, yes, I need texture paste or different types of texture paste. So this is also on sale. This is the Stone Effect paste, which are in concrete, limestone, and pumice. So this was, what are you? $11.40. $11.40. Really? It was originally $37.99. I'm not kidding you guys, it's right here. Where is it? Stone Effect, 37, and now it's $11.40. I was going to show you the stencil and stamp. There it is. Stencil and stamp. It was $19.99 and now $6. Huh! This is a steal, ladies and gentlemen. In my opinion. I don't know about the website online, but I was planning actually to buy a cracker paste, but when I saw this on sale, I was like, it's worth a try. So I'm going to open and show you how much product is in there. It's the first time I'm seeing this, so well, that's not too bad. Like 3.38 fluid ounces. Everything. So I'm excited to use them on my current project that I'm doing downstairs. Sorry, I keep referring downstairs because that's where my crafting table is. And so that's that. And what else? This Art Alchemy metallic wax in aged brass, which is this one. So this one is $2.70. $2.70. Are you kidding me? Am I having a good luck today or what? Wax base, aged brass, $8.99 before, $2.70. What? Yeah, I didn't know that they were on sale too. Mind you, I got this from the in the front of these shelvings. I think that's where they place their sales, but there's too much to read. There are too many words to read, I guess, or it's too overwhelming, so I didn't know they were on sale. But good, that's good. Okay, what else? So this is one of the things that I also wanted to buy from Michaels. It's the metal feet from Tim Holtz foundations. $12.99. It's not on sale. So yeah, I'm hoping to use this on that box that I'm working on right now. And then this one is from Recollections. 9 pieces. These are, I believe these are chipboards. I've been using them a lot already and I still don't know what they are, but there you go. $4.99. Not on sale. Or what's it on sale? Nope, it's not on sale. And then this one, 5 bead landing. She is, oh, she's the one who I got the 50% off coupon. Okay, so I paid $7.49, which was originally $14.99. So yeah, my coupon code applied in this item right here. So that's the BL, oh sorry, bead landing, $14.99, and it's now $7.49. Okay, next, this ultra matte gel. Now I have the gel heavy gloss gel medium for Liquitex, which is actually larger, in a larger tub. This is 8 fluid ounce and that one was 16, and this one is, oh, it's on sale, $13.99. Yeah, I remember this was 30% off, so it was originally $19.99 and yeah, $13.99. So I plan on using a matte, this matte gel this time, and see if it, yeah, let's see how it goes. So I'm just gonna show you where it was. Sorry, I keep standing up because this is how I'm going to show you the price tags. It was originally $19.99 and now $13.99. That's how much I paid. Another vintage inspired stamp, which is from Tim Holtz. Again, it's the Distress Oxide in Vintage Photo Color. So how much are you? $8.99. It's not on sale, but that's okay. I long for a brownish vintagey stamp anyways for a long time, so there you go. And last few pieces, this is the letter J chipboard alphabet from Recollections. She is $3.29. It's not on sale. And I'm starting to think that I should have gotten the purple metallic ones too, but I wasn't really sure. I wasn't really sure if I should get it. I still have lots, like tons of purples downstairs, so I said no. Anyway, so these are metallic acrylic paints. This is in ice blue. I love how rich the color is in the bottle. So hopefully when I apply it on my canvas, it will be the same. It's from Deco Art, and this is, it's $3.29. $3.29. Man, you're quite expensive. Anyway, and then one of my favorite brands actually for metallic paints, this is the Craft Smart in Aquamarine, and this one is $2.99. It's not on sale, so yes, that's the damage that I had. Well, I'm actually quite happy with this purchase. It says here that I saved $60.37, which is a good, for me it's a good deal. I'm getting more excited to craft again. Anyway, so I hope you guys find this helpful, and I'm sorry if it's like a very short, just a few clips, but yeah, that's about it. And stay tuned for the YouTube tutorial on that altered box. It's a very big one. I would show you in the video. Anyway, so I hope you guys find this vlog helpful in some way, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, please. I'm trying to upload videos once a week or once every 2 weeks, depending on the type of project that I'm doing. Some projects that where the materials are ordered online, sometimes they don't really arrive at the expected date, especially now, like our Canada Post is on strike, so it will take longer for orders to come in. Anyway, so yes, follow me on my Instagram. It's Clynis Creations. That's always where I post my stories on what I'm doing at the moment, or if I'm not doing any projects, like a glimpse of my crazy life. And yeah, if you like these types of videos, please subscribe, like this video, and watch some of my previous videos. I really love making mixed media and hopefully inspire just one person out there to do what he or she likes or loves or makes her happy. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!